All right, so right here I have the Rad pickleball paddle. And let's open this up. But first, let's just take a look at that box. Their artwork is awesome, and they have a ton of just cool looking pickleball paddles to choose from, and I do like that a lot. So as we open this up, we're gonna have a really nice carrying bag right here, and this is gonna be multi-purpose as well, so you can use this for other things, but the paddle does fit in here nicely, and you got a nice graphic on the outside. We are also gonna get 2 pickleballs right here, and these are gonna be pink. I do like the color here, and pink is actually their brand color, so it's just really cool. But these are really durable balls. Indoor, outdoor, they're going to be absolutely amazing. Also going to get a nice sticker that you can place wherever you like. This is really high quality. It seems like this is going to be like a matte sticker. It doesn't have like a shine to it. Paddle's going to come packaged very nicely in bubble wrap as well as a poly bag, so you know it's going to arrive safely. Okay, so right here, this is actually a very beautiful paddle, and I love the simplicity of this because it is just black and white going all the way through, and that is really, really nice. So first off, this is going to be a 16 millimeter, so that's going to be the perfect balance between power and control. You're gonna have a really nice logo going on the front, and then also on the reverse side, you're gonna have another logo that is gonna be different. I don't know if you caught that. They are gonna be different. Guys, this is gonna be a USAPA pickleball paddle. We're also gonna get a nice logo on the bottom. This handle is actually really soft and comfortable. It doesn't seem like there's anything sticking up. I know I've reviewed pickleball paddles that have like a stitching that's raised through here. This is gonna be smooth all the way through. You're gonna get a nice grip on the top that is removable and adjustable, and it just feels really nice in the hand. This could be a 5-inch length, so definitely if you want to use some backhand on here, you can grab this with 2 hands, no problem. You're also going to get a nice outer shell that's going to protect the paddle. If you are swiping towards the bottom of the ground, you're going to protect it. We're also going to have a T700 carbon fiber exterior on here, guys, so that's going to give you plenty of power, plenty of control, and you'd have a nice matte finish on here, which is great for putting spin on the ball. Now, the core of this is going to be a polypropylene honeycomb core. So that's going to give you plenty of control, a huge sweet spot, and ultimately, it's basically just what the top of the line paddles are going to have. That's going to give you the most optimal performance in your pickleball paddle. So overall, I definitely give this a 10 out of 10. This is going to be a really high performance paddle that you can use from a beginner all the way to a pro level, just because it's going to be that good and has everything that you would see on a top trim pickleball paddle. So for a great price, I love the colors. There's great graphic options. Check them all out. I really like this company and what they're doing and how they're innovating in the sport. So highly recommend this if you're looking for a great pickleball paddle. It's going to perform amazing. Thanks for watching. Add this to your cart, and I'll see you in the next video.